This version of Shakshuka eggs is a real cheats version because I'm using canned tomatoes that already include the peppers. We're going to finish it off in the steam oven for silky smooth eggs every time. You can't get easier than this. Heat your pan and add some onion that you've chopped finely. Then add the tomatoes. Remember, these are the ones already with red pepper or green pepper in them. Add your seasoning and then let it reduce down a little bit. Make indentations into the tomato mixture for your eggs and break an egg into each indentation. Add some feta. You can add this before or after the eggs. And steam it. It's probably only going to take about 4 minutes till those eggs are perfect. Just keep an eye on them.